Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and today we're looking at a hanging idle issue caused by the idle air control valve, the IAC. So our friend's 04 Mach 1 was having this issue. As you can see, not even touching the gas, the idle's hanging.
It's still hanging.
Is it still hanging?
Yeah, a little bit.
I'm not going to the exhaust
It comes
right
down.
on here. Just SLP pop.
Alright, fix the... plunger right there. There's a motor in here, and it pulls that back and forth to give the idle, to change the idle.
It's like a baby throttle body.
It's like a little throttle body. So you can shoot brake cleaner in there and get Q-tips and clean it out, but you don't really want to get it in the motor. And you want to do a Ford one, because the aftermarket ones don't.
Yeah, the AutoZone ones.
So you can see all the gunk that's built up in here, mainly from the EGR, all that recirculated gas fumes and everything that come back up in there and clog it up over time. Now sometimes, especially on an aftermarket throttle body, the stop can get out of place. So where the throttle body closes, it may contribute to this, either sticking open or over closing and the car trying to adjust the idle. So we confirmed that that was not the problem. We even revved the car up and unplugged and replugged the IAC in, and that way we could hear it kind of dying off, and we were diagnosing that it was pretty much that. So the idle air control valve is right here on the back. Sometimes it's more on the front of the engine, but it's just these two bolts and one plug. On the plug, you're going to pinch towards the front of the plug and pop that off. So that was very simple. Now it's just two 8mm bolts, one on the top and bottom. And there is a gasket behind this, so be careful not to drop it, and inspect it as well when it's removed. So once you remove it, you can see that black gasket there. So just make sure that it's in good shape. Now looking in here, we can see just how built up everything was. But we proceeded to clean it with brake parts cleaner. And that valve, though, however, may be open or closed. So we also put a little bit of oil down in there so that that valve, as it opens and closes, could be lubricated in case it's getting stuck. Using a Q-tip, we cleaned it out as well. You can see all the black that was coming off of that. So that's something else to use to clean that up. And we got it looking pretty good here, where it was cleaned up pretty well. Now, a very important part to this is also disconnecting the battery to reset the car's computer. If not, you can start it up and it would continue to have that high idle. With everything cleaned, we ensured our gasket was still there and we reinstalled it. So we just lined up the two holes. These are very small bolts. You do not want to break them and snap them. They're going into aluminum. So 8mm socket, put those back on, and then add your connection back to the top.
Drops right back down.
So thanks for watching. Please check the video description. I have a whole playlist with videos that are similar to this. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. Thanks, guys.